Okay, the one. You just need to show me proof that you have submitted, that you have done the practical exercise. Today's practical, the first practical is very simple. You should be able to do this. Just need to, at the end of the exercise later, just submit me these screenshots of your codes, meaning your Visual Studio. You need to show me your computer date and time, and also screenshot the output lah, okay, depending on the web browser that you're using. Okay, this is ungraded due date. I'll just put it today. Okay, topic would be practical exercises. Okay, now my connection is okay. Just now I keep on waiting. This one loading until I forgot all about this. So assign to all students. All right, so it's here already. Now let's take a look at our practical. So far, I've only managed to do the first practical, prepared the first practical. Okay, it's in good order, I believe. Right, only 7 pages, very simple. For those who are familiar with Visual Studio 2019, this one should be very straightforward for you all. Russell, you're already familiar with the C#, and then everyone here has learned HTML before, so very straightforward. So for our first practical, we will do the simple web page. One moment, yeah. Okay, let me open my Visual Studio. I hope you have your Visual Studio ready. Hang on, yeah. Okay, if you remember from our previous, okay, one moment. Our previous lecture, I need to record this one first. Okay, start recording. Click start. All right. So this is from our class yesterday. I've already mentioned that we will do this today, okay, during our practical. Yeah. Oh, belum lagi. In that case, I think you can go ahead, install the ASP. Let me see. I'll give you time to do that. No worries. Just let me know when you're done. How about the rest? Only Noel, Farah, and Kelvin batch. How about the others? The one that you need to have in your Visual Studio would be ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. Make sure the language is C#. Yeah, Noel? Yeah, make sure the language is C#. Okay, I'll wait for you guys. I should have mentioned uh, that we need ASP.NET uh, framework. As long as you can see this, okay, then it should be okay. This one. So put in the chat box once you're done.
I don't have the template though.
What template?
The C sharp.
You need to install this into your Visual Studio.
Which one?
Let me see. Because mine already have. Let me open mine first. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Mm, so I believe Shark. Let me see. Um, I believe um, when you come to here, okay, and then you search for the template, you type ASP.NET Web Application, okay, and then if it's not found, then there should be a button or link for you to download it. Okay, try to search for this template, ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. Can you search for the template?
Yep, I found it, but need to wait for the
Download
downloading.
that?
Yeah. Yep.
Sure, no problem. I'll let you install it first. So Ferry is installing. Very good. Make sure it's ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. And then once you have that particular template, when you click on it, you should be able to see this option, the one with the C sharp. Okay, the one with the C sharp, ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. Once you have finished. Okay, so alert me when you are done. Okay, I'll wait for you all. All right, so Ivan is also downloading. Okay, all right, Kelvin, you need to update. I'll wait for you all. How about the rest? Are you able to do the downloading? Can you search for this? 64%. Oh, Elijah, all right. how the fastest internet speed? You mentioned it to me last time. Oh, you started earlier. Okay, good. So we wait for the rest, yeah? Oh, Noel is installing already. How about Lim, Daniel, Alvin, Celine, and Wong? Oh, okay. Then that's good. So you can proceed on your own if you want, or if you want to wait for me, you can do so. Or Celine is downloading good. So only Lim or Daniel sudah install. Very good. Lim ada bad internet connection. Oh, okay. It's okay because this meet is recorded. Can always do it later afterwards. We'll wait for you, Lim. ASP sini. When you want to create a new project, you can search for the template, and then you type ASP.NET Web Application. Okay, .NET Framework. There should be, I think, a link for you to download. I've done this much earlier last month, so I cannot really remember. Or perhaps the rest can describe to Lim what did you all see just now? The link or the button to download. Can you put in the chat box? Oh, thank you for sharing, Vera. Or straight away go to tools. All right. Perhaps you can go to the tools menu, but then you need to select continue without coding lah. Okay, sharp is 31%.
Miss, this one, right?
Yes.
This one, right?
Oh, let me change my view full screen. Yeah, the one with the C sharp. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, good, Farah. I think you can do the class activity question first while we wait for the others, yeah? If you have completed downloading and then also installing, when you create a new project, make sure you have this, the .NET framework. Okay, web application, we are developing web app, yeah? And then when you click on this, all right, there are a lot of choices where we can choose from with various languages. Okay, so just now I just search for ASP.NET Web Application, and the top two they look similar, but then the one at the top here, it's for Windows. This one is using Visual Basic. Okay, so don't choose the one with Visual Basic. Mine is here, the second one. Okay, ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. Our language should be C Sharp. Okay, so I'll wait for you all. Once everyone is ready, then I will continue. Okay, so Farah install, Ivan install, Noel install. Okay, okay. Yes, so Alvin is currently installing it. Are you still downloading, Alvin? Or you are in the installation already? Okay, Wong already install, or Daniel install. Oh, you don't have a C sharp. You can only see Visual Basic, is it? Oh, I think you only saw the first one. You need the C sharp because we're using C sharp as our programming language. Perhaps when you search for the templates just now, you didn't get the correct one. So we don't use the one with Visual Basic, not this one. We must choose this one. All right. For mine, after I have my ASP.NET web application, okay, I select it, I search here, and it lists out all the available choices under ASP.NET web application. So I have two, one is Visual Basic, one is C Sharp. So we need to use the one with C Sharp. Russell sudah siap. Okay, for Russell, let me see. Just now I have, oops, I'm here. Screenshot me two things, your codes. Make sure you show the computer date and time, and then the output, the browser lah. And then don't forget to turn in. Oh yeah, yeah. In fact, for this example, we are creating web form. Same thing, right? Now the time is 2:35. So I guess, Russell, if you're done, then that's it for today. If you're not busy, oh, you found it already. I found very good. Russell, if you're not busy, then you should help me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, much more easy. So meaning, Noel, you are going through the steps now, is it? Oh, Shark is installing already. Okay, good, good. Very straightforward. The steps are very straightforward, especially for Noel and friends and Kelvin and Farah. You're familiar with Visual Studio 2019. It should be straightforward to you all. That's where, let me show you. So as a proof, yeah, just to recall from yesterday, let me find where is it. Mm. So once you experience it, then you understand the theory that we have covered. So this is .NET. Okay, so we have all these components to build the application. Okay, so meaning we have this framework, so we can focus on our business logic code only, because the rest of it are ready for us, can makes it easier than ever before. So I think Noel, you agree with this one, yeah? Easier than ever before because you're using the framework. Mm-hmm. Okay, is there any other thing? Okay, let me see. Yeah, Dreamweaver, yes, correct. Yeah, Dreamweaver. Or you have used Dreamweaver before, is it, Farah? When you were in your previous college, right? Okay, this proof that is much more easier. So what we will cover in our practical exercises would be the new things that we can include in our web app lah. Okay, back in 2014, lama sudah itu. So I guess you all can follow the step, all right? I don't think I want to do the demo. I believe you all can do this on your own. Let me find, okay. So as long as you have selected the correct, bukan ini. Okay, the correct .NET framework for C#. Okay, this one is in page 1. We just continue from page 2. From page 2. The steps are very clear. Add listener, yeah. That one when it comes to the event listener, yes. NetBeans are similar, right? Can we double click to add listener in NetBeans? I can't remember. It's been a while since I last taught web app. Now web app is GUI web app is was handled by Miss Alice. Yeah. Okay, let me check whether you have turned in. Russell, oh sudah turn in. Let me double check. Yeah. Oh Daniel pun sudah turn in. Let me double check. Okay, this is your source. This is your browser output. And this is the .cs, the C# file. Excellent. Excellent. Daniel. Daniel pun sudah siap. Very good, Daniel. Let me check what you have for me. Okay, this is the output. Okay, I see the text box and the button. Your source code. Okay, so this is your source view. Okay, I hope you have renamed the. Oh, Daniel, I can see here kan? Ini. Oh, bukan sini. Oh, oh ya 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 ya. You have renamed your button. I saw it already. Okay, good. As long as you rename the button, the ID to BTN submit. Normally we have a convention. If it's a submit button, it's a button, then the prefix is BTN. And then for your text box, yeah, I can see that you already renamed it to TXT name. So the prefix for a text box is TXT. We do not rename all of our controls, these controls, the web form component, because we only rename those that we might need to use in our course. Okay, Daniel, well done. And no need to worry about you already. Okay, good job, Daniel. You're doing well. Okay, ada lagi. Oh, Noel pun sudah siap. Let me see. This is your output. Okay, webform1.aspx. Yeah, our file extension is aspx. And okay, let's see. Oh, you rename your text box and also your button. Excellent. Well done. Well done. Oops, typo. I think I'm going to enjoy teaching programming to bachelor degree students. This is nice. Okay, so far I've written 3 students' work lah. Oh, so Alvin boleh continue. Let me see. Oh, I need to double. I think I forgot already. Noel, our lecture yang back to back with Dr. Chris class tu kan? Let me see. Group. Oh, bukan. Oh, bukan. Siapa punya kelas yang back to back tu? Oh, I think it's the first year. Oh, okay. The year 2, okay, year 2. Also means no problem, no problem for our lecture. No problem for our lecture. CSA comes here, okay. Hours you have lunchtime. Okay. Okay, no problem. Mm, since the practical is very simple for today, how about those who have finished? You do a recap using my quizzes. Would you like to do that, or would you prefer doing it next week before our lecture class starts?
Uh,
5 questions only. Or want to do together with the rest next week?
mm, both also can.
Sorry?
Either one also can.
Mana-mana sajalah.
Right.
Yeah, because you three of you already submitted, kan? Three already submitted. Then no more exercise for today. That's it. Meaning you all can leave the meet already. Would you like to leave early? If yes, then I will allow siapa nih? Daniel, Noel, and Russell to leave early since you have already completed your task for today.
Thank you.
Welcome. So I see you next week. Bye.